we're gonna eat something. This is an octopus, okay?
Naniniwala ako. Alam mo, ang kaibigan to, si Janen, ang pogi nito nung binata. Sabay kami nagpatuli nito. Di ba, Jobert?
Grabe ka naman, Marco. Marco nang Today we were doing mukbang. Mukbang! Eh. So, are they though?
I thought you were going to Boodle.
Oh, boodle fight. Boodle
is where you just eat a bunch of food until you looks like you're gonna die, right?
So what's the combination of mukbang and boodle fight? Because that's what's gonna happen today, you know.
Mobile.
Mukboodle.
Today, you guys, we're gonna do a boodle. So we just made it up. So mukbang plus boodle. This is the octopus. I have a pusit.
Squid.
Pusit. Oh, squid. My bad. And I have a pork chop. I'm gonna grill this here and I'm gonna take this home.
And we actually have more like tilapia.
We have shrimp as well.
So who's gonna make this? Because Cheryl's still working.
Cheryl. We're gonna wait Cheryl to make this one. Because Cheryl still at work. You know what, you guys? Work ruined friendship.
Work ruins friendship.
Save your friendship, stop working.
Yeah. To save your friendship, stop working. It's only money, you guys. But
Money is not everything.
correct. If you have a lot of money and you don't have friends, it's useless. Who can you share with, right? But if you don't have money and if you have friends, you're gonna die together. Just kidding.
Or you can eat from your friend's food.
Right?
There you go.
Hey, babe, why you eat first?
How's the spaghetti?
You already ate. What are you talking about?
I already ate pancit. Honey, how's your spaghetti? That's
That's good.
awesome. Are we sugba this one?
Are we grilling it? No, we're frying this, right?
Yeah, deep fried is the best. Deep fry is the best.
Deep fry? As in D-E-F-R-I?
Deep fry is the best. Oh my gosh. This is an octopus, okay? This is like huge.
That is so gross.
Ugh. Let me just put this. It's kind of disgusting, so we're gonna.
No, but once it's cooked, it's delicious.
Once it's cooked, your problem goes away. Woohoo! Now let's go ahead and prep everything.
Let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, dated over this surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel like
This looks scary. Oh my god. This is an octopus, okay?
Be careful.
This is a huge ass octopus, yo. Hello, little fella. Fried tilapia is done, and you guys see it has dried fish and dried squid. Yum. It's pusit. Oh my god. Hi, Bench. Welcome to my vlog. Eric.
Visitor.
They're the voicitour. Yeah, that's.
Must visit to eh.
Grabe ka naman. He's a really a good cook. Like,
Cooker.
Cook. He's a good cooker. You smell good, by the way. You smell like a person.
Thank you. That's just my perspiration.
Perspiration. That's a perspiration.
I made pork siomai and then
Pork siomai. Spell pork siomai.
spell pork siomai. Ano na lang, siomai na lang. Wala yung pork. Hirap-hirap ako sa pork.
Oh my God, ano ito
Then,
talaga? This is the,
then,
I've been waiting for this for like a year now.
Dinuguan. It's a pork blood stew.
It is what again?
Pork blood stew. It's stew.
Oh my God.
Blood stew. Ilocano pork blood stew.
Ang ganda ng mukha ng bakla, promise talaga. Ang ganda ng skin.
Koji, yeah.
Ano lang yan, pounds from the Philippines.
Talaga, seryoso ka? Anong kulay na pan?
Hindi na pala. Skin white.
Wala ka kay.
Pero ang ganda no, parang may foundation ako.
Ang ganda mo bakla.
Parang may foundation ako. Hindi na nga ako nag-foundation eh. Talagang ano lang, skin white lang siya.
Ay, nagmina to, nagchinchanso. Ang ganda ng skin pa. Oh, plaka, planak ang peslak.
Hindi naman. Alam mo, nainggit talaga ako sa mga pilikmata nyo. Lalo na kay Grace.
Yung pilik mata niya, Baguio to Manila.
Hindi.
Sa haba.
Sa haba.
Congratulations, Grace. You're promoted to be an, ano daw, account executive. Ala.
Spell account executive, bakla.
Wala na lang, account na lang. Ang hirap i-spell yung executive.
Ang pinagmamalaki ng bakla,
Ano?
ang siomay niya.
I want to show mine.
Oh my God.
Show mine! Show mine! Hindi totoo talaga bakla. Kahit di mo lagyan ng soap.
Sarap ng siomay niya. So you guys, we're gonna do a Boodle. Mukbang and Boodle. Boodle featuring bench. O, diba? Go ahead and, you know, jump in.
Ito, ganito kayo kaganda.
Ako naman, ano ka naman.
Sabi ko lang naman. Sika.
Makasabi ka naman maganda ako para naman talaga. Seryoso, totoo.
Hindi naman totoo. Diba? Totoo. Hindi. Naniniwala ako. Alam mo, ang kaibigan to, si Janen, ang pogi nito nung kabinata. Sabay kami nagpatuli nito. Diba, Jobert?
Grabe ka naman, Marco. Marco na.
Ang pogi-pogi nito nung lalaki pa to eh. Ngayon, babae na siya. Ang arte-arte, oh.
Pero talaga pag nag-transition ka.
Oh, transition.
Kaon na tabayon mo. Let's eat na, let's eat.
I'll just sit here. I'll just sit here.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are,
gutom.
Ikaw.
Very aggressive, Janet.
Tagay sa tagumpay, my friend! Cheers! What's the best in Filipino party? Bring home. Oh my God, we had so much food, and we just got home, you guys. And this food is going to be my baon at work, you know. Mga pang ano na to, mga pang isang buwan na to na baon. Charot. We do karaoke, and I did not video the karaoke because we're gonna get demonetized. Like I'm saying, it's been a great long day, you know. Food, karaoke, you know, girl, karaoke is like the best. So yeah, I'm so full that it makes me so sleepy. Anyways, you guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do. Show me some love, give me some like, and as always, let's be friends, because you know, why not, like I was saying. And yeah, and turn on your notifications on for more videos from me, so you get notified when I have a new videos, because you guys, I am trying to to vlog, you know, as much as I can, like I'm saying. So yeah, thank you all so much, and good night. Bye bye.
I just